Hello, hello. Hi, kindergarten. I want to go over our math lesson with you today. We are on chapter 7.5. We're starting off on page 277. And boys and girls, we are working today only with the number 15. 15. The first thing I want you to do, if you have any type of counter at home, you're going to use that for this page. You're going to place 15 counters. So you're going to place them in the 10 frame, and then you're going to need a couple of more at the bottom. So boys and girls, counters can be anything small that you have. If you don't have actual little counters like we use in school, you can use coins, you can use tiny little Lego pieces, you can use anything small that will help us just count to 15. Then you're going to remove those counters and you're going to use your pencil to show 15 on this page. So you're going to fill in just like you did with the counters. You're going to fill in with your pencil, and you're going to have a couple of more at the bottom. You'll have to be counting to make sure you have the correct number. All right, then we move on to page 278. Again, just working with 15, okay? So we are going to practice tracing the number at the top here, 1, 5. Careful with your 5s. Don't let them get backwards. We're working on that a lot in school now. All right, we're showing 15 again. So you are drawing your counters, and you're going to add more at the bottom to get to 15. Then you are going to count. How many do you have in the 10 frame? You know you're going to fill that 10 frame, so we have 10 ones. How many do you have at the bottom here? You'll have to count, so do that with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I need a few more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You should have made this many at the bottom. You're going to count to see how many you have at the bottom. And you're going to put that number here on the line, okay? When we come across to page 279, again, focusing on 15, writing 15, or rather tracing it, then we need to count. How many do you have in the 10 frame? It's full, so you know there's 10 plus 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That number is going right there on that line. Now you're going to use those blue counters that we just worked with to fill in down here. We know that our answer is going to be 15. So we can start by putting 15 after the equal sign. Blank plus blank equals 15. How many are in your 10 frame? That number comes down. How many are outside of your 10 frame? That number goes right here. Okay? Then you're going to read that problem. 10 plus 5 equals 15. If we have 10 and then we have 5 more, we have 15. Turning to page 280. We've done this before now. We are starting at the end right here with the blue little bead. We're counting to 15, and then we're going to make a mark so we don't lose our spot. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I ended right here. In the beads that you just counted, were there more blue or were there more yellow? You're going to circle. You're going to circle which bead you found more of. Now we have our problem. 15 equals blank plus blank. So for that section, you're going to draw 15 objects and circle 10 of them. Draw 15. I'm just using circles. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You've drawn 15. Now we're going to circle 10 of them. 15 equals. How many did you circle? Plus how many are left over. Okay, you're going to count and fill that in. And then you're going to do the build the number worksheet like you did yesterday for 13 and 14. You're going to do that worksheet again for the number 15. Okay, good job, guys. See you soon.